Your child's teacher will receive feedback for reading and numeracy, procedural, shortly after an assessment, which they may then discuss with your child before sharing with you. Your child can also access their feedback when logged into Hub, the Welsh Government's digital learning platform. After a numeracy, reasoning assessment, your child's teacher will have resources and activities to use in class to support the development of their reasoning skills. This takes the place of your child having access to online feedback after this assessment. The feedback is a snapshot of your child's skills at the time the assessment was taken. This is just one piece of information on your child's knowledge and understanding, which their teacher will be able to consider alongside the other information they have on your child's work in the classroom. For reading, numeracy, procedural, and numeracy reasoning, you will receive reports showing your child's progress over time.